Welcome to Sentence AS. In the last video, we had discussed about creating table of content, customizing, maintaining and deleting. All these concepts we discussed. In this video, we will be discussing about what is template, checking the template of the document, creating the template using inbuilt or saved template. A template is a ready-made layout that helps you to create documents quickly and neatly. It sets up the structure like a model or a pattern, so you don't have to start from scratch every time. Why we use template? Template makes work easier because they save time by having pre-designed formats. Helps to keep your documents professional and consistent. Contain repeating parts like logos, headings or legal notes. What can a template contain? A template can include text. It can be company name, tagline, graphics, logos, product images, styles like headings, font and its sizes, headers and footers. In footers it can be page numbers, in headers it can be titles or date. Any language formatting you can contain. How templates work? When you create a new document using template, the new document gets the same design and layout as the template you have created. So you can still edit or add your own content to the new file. Default template in Writer. In Writer, in LibreOffice or OpenOffice, every document is based on some template. If you don't choose any template, the writer will take default blank template. Example uses. So templates are commonly used for making resumes, project reports, chapter of a book, official letters. So instead of reformatting each new document, you can use or create a template once and then just fill in the new content. Okay, one example which you may all know is question paper. School will be using a template for your question papers. Whatever question paper you take up science, social, English, you have one logo, your school logo, name of the school, affiliation number you will have. So on which date your exam has to be conducted, what exam, so which date what exam will be changed, but the date where it has to be placed, exam where it has to be placed in the header section or in the document is predefined. For every paper it will be the same, isn't it? Yes, your question paper is also a template. What you change is questions. In some question papers, mains are also fixed. First main has to be MCQ, second main has to be question and answers for 1 mark. So mains are also fixed. The number of questions are also fixed. The only changes has to be made is questions. Different questions. Let's see what are the steps to create a document with template. What we are supposed to do, step 1 is create a new document from file, new template. Consider to create a document, file, new template. A template selection window will be displayed. Select a template. For example, select the first template, modern business letter, and click on open. See, this one is modern business letter. I'll click it and say open. So, a new document with that particular template is opened. You can put your logo here, sender name, all has been predefined. We'll see how to check the name of the created document. For that, click on File, Properties, and see the template name under Template Caption in the Property dialog box. So, File, Properties, Template Name. This is Naisa's underscore template. See, the name of the template is this one. What we have selected. We all know what is template, isn't it? It is a format or predefined format. So now we are creating our own format. We will build now and we will use. How can we do that? Basically what I did, a simple format I have created. I want an educational format wherein I have used my logo and tagline, date, class, subject and topic. See, all these headings and logo will be placed in its place, and date, class, what we enter will be different every time. But the places where I want to, write will be placed. So this is the format I want. And I want this to be saved as a template. I don't want to repeat. Whenever I open a document, I don't need to, copy the logo or I type the date or subject or topic to that particular position every time. Once this template is created, I can use it directly with the template name. So now what I do, I want this document in this format. I'll go to File, Template, Save as Template, and I'll give a name. In textbook they have given T1. Let's give T1 as the name. And we need to select the category. Categories are nothing but, it's a placeholder. What kind of document you are saving. So it's a folder kind of predefined folder or already created. We are supposed to select the category. Okay. What is in my notes? A category is just like a folder that helps to organize the template. Some of the categories that can be seen in the dialog box are my template. It is my template, business correspondence. Okay, fine. Many more categories are available. So I'll select my template as a category. If I want this template to be as a default template, so whenever I open the document, I want this template to be displayed. I want a document to be in this format. Then I have to select set as default template. Otherwise, you just have to say save. And this is saved. So whenever we save the template, it will be having the extension .ott. Fine. Okay. The default option we explained. Okay, save button is also explained, and OTT extension, it will be having OTT extension. You can now use this template to create the document with the same look and style easily. So templates save a lot of time and help maintain consistent and professional appearance across multiple documents. Let's see where our template has been saved. Before we winding up this concept, we will see where our template has been stored. File, templates, manage template. Can you see? Our template with the name T1 with the category My Template has been stored in the template dialog box. Inbuilt or saved template. LibreOffice allows us to use the inbuilt template, online template, as well as templates created and saved by us. Following are the steps to use a predefined template to style a document. So for that, what we are supposed to do, open a new document in LibreOffice. This is my old document. I'll just open a new document in LibreOffice. Then what is that? From the main menu bar, select File, Template, Manage Template. Okay. File, Template, Manage Template. See, a created template is also there. Next. Oh, you can also use keyboard shortcut key Ctrl+Shift+N to open the template dialog box. The template dialog box will be displayed showing a list of available templates. Observe that it also shows the template T1 created in our previous section. Yes, we discussed just now. Select the desired template, say T1, and click open button. Then the new document with the name Untitled will be opened with the same content, appearance and formatting effect as the saved template. Okay, we'll see that. I'll select this and say open. The template remains same, but a new document has been created with the same template which we have saved. Make the desired changes and save the file. Yeah, in this, what will be the desired changes? I will be changing the date 12/10/2025. Subject will be math. Maths notes. Oh, class will be 10th grade. Triangles. So I want to create notes on triangles. So this format is already been set and I'm using that template. I have made the desired changes. I'll be extending with my notes and I'll be saving this file. Say save as. With the name Math Notes and the desktop, and then say save. So this document with the format which is already predefined, that is template, we have used in this document and we have created a document. For our better understanding, we will practice activity 3.4. What they have given in 3.4, mostly the name has been changed. I have changed the name. Mostly works in a garment factory. He has to give the report of each garment being designed and stitched in his factory. His manager wants the same type of report for each garment. Instead of typing every time, he has been suggested to use the template feature of writer. He wants to create his own default template and then use it to create multiple reports with the same format and style. Give the solution to complete this task. They have given solution as well. Let's follow the solution. Create or open the document whose template is to be created. I have already created one document. See, in this document, the company has its logo, where it has been situated, and all the information about it. Inventory manager, his address, email ID and phone number, everything has been given. So as it is a garment factory, then item ID, name, type, material, size, gender, color, unit price, quantity and total value has been included. So all the information, basic information related to the garment has been included. So this template he has created, mostly has created. So he will, every time he opens the document, this format will be displayed so that he can change it. He can add the item ID, he can add the item name, type and material, sizes, gender, whichever things he want, he can change. Unit price, total, everything can be changed. Day to day they can change. And so to make this as a template, what he has to do next? In menu bar, select file, template, save. The save as template dialog box appears. Type the name of the new template in the template name text box. Select the category business correspondence. Click and select set as default template checkbox. Click save button to save the template with an extension .ott. It will be saved. Okay, let's do that. File, template, save as template, mostly MOSELY, mostly underscore TEMPLATE. Yes, mostly underscore template, business correspondence. They wanted to make it as a check as default template and then save. Follow the steps given below to use the template. Next thing is we are supposed to use the template. Select file, template, manage templates. Okay, what I'll do is I say file, new document, text document. That new text document will be displayed with this format. That is one thing. The second thing is when I say file, templates, manage template, and if I select the category business and correspondence, mostly template is being selected and you can see here it has been checked, that is it has been selected as a default one. I can select that and I can say open. A new template with the same format will be displayed. Now what I can do is I can edit 45, so it can be any other higher price, say, and then I can save it. File, and I can save it. In this video we completed templates, checking the template, creating, using inbuilt or saved template. In the next video we will be discussing about using online template, importing, editing, moving, exporting and applying templates to a blank document.